Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. But this time we doing something different. This is my second pair of sneakers I bought from Stockx. So you know I had to bring it to the channel as soon as I got the shoe in my hand. I had to get it to you guys, let you guys see what shoe it is. But before we get into that, I'm gonna need for you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we drop a new content to the channel, and also hit that like button, man. Let's try to get this video to 500 views and 40 likes, man. And also, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. And also, if you guys want to purchase any Penny for Your Thoughts merch, as you can see, I'm always wearing something. I got the yellow hoodie on with the black brand right now, Penny for Your Thoughts, OG script. If you guys want to purchase this hoodie, you guys can email us at p4yt2016@gmail.com. I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get to the shoe. Here you guys go. Nike React Element 87 in the white, orange, and blue colorway. Very clean shoe, man. Let's talk about it a little bit, man. As you can see, right here, you got the fly wire here, all the way. The whole shoe is pretty much made out of fly wire. You have the royal blue leather here. You have the 3M on the eyelids, the lace eyelids. Got the royal blue leather here. This right here is suede black. Have the orange here. Fire black swoosh right here. Fire. Go around the shoe. Right here on the inside you have royal blue hair, royal blue stitching, orange pull tag with the 3M reflective. Got the orange Nike swoosh right here on suede. This right here is like a hard plastic. It looks navy blue, dark grayish. On the inside it has a corkscrew insole and a little orange swoosh on there. I'll put a picture up there, make sure you guys check that out. Right here it says Nike React right here. Right here, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has the Nike swoosh sportswear logo. As you can see, Stockx verification. Just an overall clean shoe. Nike swoosh right here on the sole. Orange things here on the sole. You can see on the bottom. White sole, orange. Tried this shoe on already, man. That's why I was already like unloosed like this. Tried it on. Very, very comfortable shoe. I think Nike got it right. This shoe right here had to be the #1 shoe of 2018, man. This shoe right here, it changed the game, man. It brought Nike back, man. It didn't bring them back. They were pretty much flourishing in 2018, but this shoe helped them get what they needed to be, man. And pretty much they pushed the right buttons on pretty much every colorway of the Nike React Element 87s, man. If you disagree, leave it in the comments below, man. Don't forget to hit that like button, guys. Also, man, black swoosh here. Just a clean shoe, man. If you're able to get your hands on a pair of Nike React 87s, I say pull the trigger, man. Stockx have a bunch of different colorways on sale. Not on sale, but just, you know, the stock market for the Nike React Element 87 is not that high. So you should be able to get a good pair, a good colorway at a great price. Without a doubt, man. But you know I gotta rate this shoe, man. And I'm gonna just keep it all. I'm gonna keep it all the way tall, man. I'm gonna keep it all the way tall. This shoe right here, man. I gotta give this shoe, man, 4.5 out of 5 pennies, man. It's pretty much almost a perfect shoe. The only thing I don't like about it is you can't wear it in the wintertime because it's just fly wire. There's no material here. It's just all fly wire around the whole shoe. There's no material, so you can't wear it in the wintertime. But they have one that you can wear in the wintertime, but I don't think it's as cool as these. I think they call those the Nike React Element 55s, so you can wear those. You know, it has levels on. I think not material going around it, so your feet don't get cold. But this is definitely a summertime shoe. You only can pull these out in the summertime, man. But let me know what you guys think about it, man. Leave it in the comments below. We answer all comments. Y'all already know, man. With that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.